Let's try a little common sense. For the last few months, the Montgomery County Sentinel has done a series of stories about the lack of early warning sirens in the county. These sirens can be used to notify us of natural disasters, tornadoes, or even a terroristic threat. The best the county can do right now to notify anybody about anything is a Twitter or a text on your cell phone through a system called Alert Montgomery, which uses a cell phone. They will send out a text message or a Twitter and notify you if you subscribe to their service. Currently, in a county where 1 million people live, only 210,000 of us subscribe to this service. If you're a transient, or you're homeless, or you just happen to work here, you've got no access to the information you may need in an emergency. According to our county spokesman, I can't even say this. According to one county spokesman, in case of an emergency, those who are notified may have to go door to door to notify those who don't have access to Alert Montgomery. I'm not kidding. Going door to door in a tornado to let your neighbor know that they could die. The county justifies this by saying that if we did have sirens, some 35% of us may sleep through the sirens or not hear them at night anyway. And look, I know my math is rusty, but that still means in a county of 1 million people that some 650,000 people would be notified in a timely fashion, which is 3 times what we can notify today if they get 100% compliance off the cell phone. And let's be honest, how many times have you ignored a text message or ignored a Twitter or ignored your home computer? In the end, it's a matter of notifying as many people as humanly possible as quickly as possible. And the county just can't do it. Common sense tells you they can't do it. They can write you a ticket for speeding off of a speed camera, send that to you in the mail. They can charge you 5 cents every time you use a plastic bag at a grocery store, but what they can't do, seemingly, is to provide public safety. That I'm not kidding about. So, remember folks, the next time there's a dark cloud and someone comes knocking on the door yelling, "Tornadoes are coming, tornado!" better run to the basement real quick and save your butt. But what do you think?